Did you know that according to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, about 80 million people worldwide are battling glaucoma? Additionally, experts predict that number will jump to over 111 million by 2040. Maintaining healthy eyes and preserving your vision is important to a healthy lifestyle. Here are 8 drinks that contain nutrients and antioxidants that help protect the eyes from glaucoma and cataracts. Number 8 is completely astonishing, and we can almost guarantee you did not know this. Stay until the end of the video to learn about at-home strategies to understand the symptoms of cataracts and glaucoma. Number 1. Green tea. A hot cup of green tea can be all you need to kickstart your day, but did you know it could also be your eye's best friend? Yep, that's right. Green tea contains antioxidants that can work wonders for your eye health, especially catechins. These compounds don't just hang out in the tea, they make their way to our eye tissue, forming a shield against damage. Our eyes are pretty complex with various structures like the retina, macula, blood vessels, optic nerve, and muscles. But here's the catch: free radicals, those unstable atoms, can wreak havoc on these tissues, messing with our vision. And what fuels these troublemakers? Poor diet, lack of exercise, and smoking. But antioxidants swoop in to save the day by neutralizing these free radicals, potentially preventing issues like cataracts, glaucoma, and more. Speaking of green tea, it's been making waves in the eye health arena by showing promise in reducing intraocular pressure. Why does that matter? Because unchecked pressure in our eyes can damage the optic nerve over time, leading to glaucoma and potential vision loss. But sipping on green tea regularly might just help keep that pressure in check, safeguarding our vision for the long haul. In a 2010 study, researchers fed laboratory rats green tea extract. What they found was pretty neat: catechins, those natural antioxidants, made their way into the rat's eye tissue, providing a boost of protection. And get this, certain parts of the eye like the retina soaked up the most catechins, while others like the cornea absorbed less. Plus, they discovered that green tea could offer up to 20 hours of eye protection. Number 2. Orange juice. The classic glass of orange juice is not only a refreshing way to start your day, but it's also packed with vitamin C, which is good for your eyes. Boosting your vitamin C intake can lower your risk of developing cataracts, so why not kick off some of your mornings with a tall glass of orange juice? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against oxidative damage, the kind of damage that plays a major role in age-related cataracts like cortical and nuclear cataracts. Cortical cataracts hang out on the edges of the lens, while nuclear cataracts remain deep in the center. A decade-long study dug deep into what factors could help prevent the development of nuclear cataracts. They looked at over 1,000 pairs of female twins, and guess what they found? Participants who guzzled down more vitamin C had a whopping 33% reduction in the risk of cataract progression, plus their lenses were clearer overall. Now that's something to cheer about. While sipping on orange juice is a delicious way to get your daily dose of vitamin C, munching on an orange is just as fantastic. Number 3. Red wine. The Biobank project in the UK, with nearly 500,000 participants since 1989, has uncovered some fascinating findings about moderate alcohol consumption and cataract risk. The results are incredible. Age-related cataracts, at least in part, stem from oxidative stress on lens proteins, but the contents of alcoholic beverages seem to kick in as superheroes here, boosting antioxidant activity and potentially thwarting cataract formation. One key player is resveratrol, a natural antioxidant found in the highest concentrations in red wine. The skins of grapes used in red wine production are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 heavy-hitting carotenoids known for their antioxidant prowess. Carotenoids, these natural pigments present in many biological systems, play a crucial role in human health as potent antioxidants, and red wine is packed with these beneficial carotenoids. But hold your horses, we're definitely not giving you the green light to overindulge. It's crucial to emphasize that the reduced risk of cataracts is only associated with moderate alcohol consumption. The results suggest that moderate drinking is linked to significantly lower odds of developing severe cataracts requiring surgery. So, while a glass of red wine now and then might offer some eye-catching benefits, remember to enjoy it responsibly. Number 4. Carrot juice. Sipping on a glass of fresh carrot juice is like giving your eyes a vibrant burst of goodness. Carrots are brimming with beta-carotene, the superstar nutrient that your body transforms into vitamin A. Just imagine, a single 100g serving of carrots packs a punch with a notable 8.3 milligrams of beta-carotene. But that's not all. Carrot juice also delivers a generous dose of lutein, often hailed as the eye vitamin. Lutein belongs to a group of organic pigments called carotenoids, just like beta-carotene and vitamin A. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Lutein hangs out in two significant spots in your eyes, the macula and retina. Think of it as your eye's very own light filter, shielding them from damage caused by sunlight. So, with every sip of carrot juice, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're nourishing your eyes with a powerful combination of beta-carotene and lutein, keeping them bright and healthy for whatever the day brings. Number 5. Beet juice. Leafy greens aren't the only game in town when it comes to reaping the benefits of nitrates, those fantastic compounds known for boosting blood flow to the eyes. Beet juice is another top contender, and recent research suggests that having around 130g, or roughly 1 cup of beet juice per day, could be linked to a lower risk of glaucoma. So don't toss out those beet greens just yet. They're a treasure trove of nutrients, including lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are like superstars for eye health. Have you ever heard of the trabecular meshwork? Think of it as a crucial valve in your eye that regulates the circulation and drainage of aqueous humor, the fluid that nourishes your eye. When this meshwork falters due to factors like aging or DNA damage, it can lead to increased intraocular pressure and the development of glaucoma. And guess what? Nitric oxide plays a key role here, helping to regulate the trabecular meshwork. That's where beetroot juice steps into the spotlight. Packed with nitric oxide to boost blood flow and lower blood pressure, it also shows promise as a potential treatment for glaucoma by targeting the trabecular meshwork directly. So next time you're whipping up a nutritious beverage, consider blending some beetroot juice with carrots and ginger for a refreshing concoction that not only tastes great, but also nourishes your eyes with vitamins, antioxidants, and the power of nitric oxide. Number 6. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, another type of antioxidant that's like a superhero for eye health. Plus, they're not just delicious. Raw blueberries also pack a punch with riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2, with 0.041 milligrams per serving. And here's the kicker: riboflavin supplements can help prevent cataracts by keeping your lenses clear and crisp. Riboflavin is also a game-changer for other eye disorders like glaucoma and keratoconus. Have you heard of riboflavin drops? They're often used to strengthen the cornea, offering support and protection against these eye conditions. Now you can whip up a breakfast that's as delicious as it is eye-friendly. Blend those juicy blueberries with some creamy yogurt and a splash of almond milk. Not only will you start your day on a tasty note, but you'll also be giving your eyes a boost of nutrients to keep them shining bright. Number 7. Turmeric tea. When there are more free radicals in your body than it can handle, it leads to oxidative stress, which can cause conditions like cataracts. Some minerals, like selenite and calcium, can contribute to the formation of these harmful free radicals. Turmeric is rich in a compound called curcumin, which has powerful antioxidant properties that can help counteract this oxidative stress and protect your eyes. Things like exposure to environmental toxins, such as certain chemicals and radiation, can also contribute to cataract formation over time by damaging the lens of your eye. But here's the good news: research shows that even small doses of curcumin can provide long-lasting protection for your eyes. Curcumin has been found to help counteract the damage caused by substances like naphthalene, which is found in some pollutants. It's important to start with a low dose of curcumin to avoid any stomach discomfort, gradually increasing it over time. For those dealing with cataracts, adding turmeric to your diet, like in turmeric milk or tea, can be helpful. A good starting dose is about a quarter to half teaspoon a day, gradually increasing to 1 to 2 teaspoons 2 to 3 times a day. This way, you can enjoy the eye-protecting benefits of turmeric without any unwanted side effects. Number 8. Spinach smoothie. Next time you whip up a smoothie, don't forget to throw in a handful of spinach. It's not just about adding some green goodness to your drink, it could also be your secret weapon against glaucoma. In fact, according to a study, indulging in 2 generous handfuls of spinach daily could slash your risk of glaucoma by as much as 30%. So what's the magic behind spinach? It's all about those nitrates lurking within the green leaves. When you consume spinach, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, which plays a crucial role in improving blood flow and regulating pressure inside your eye. This is key because high eye pressure can wreak havoc on your optic nerve, the vital link that sends signals from your retina to your brain. Checking for glaucoma and cataracts at home. Home monitoring of glaucoma and cataracts is limited to observing symptoms and using basic screening methods, as definitive diagnosis and detailed assessment require professional medical equipment and expertise. However, here are some approaches you can take at home to monitor eye health and identify potential warning signs. Observing symptoms for glaucoma. Peripheral vision check. Cover one eye and look straight ahead, paying attention to your peripheral vision. Switch eyes and repeat. Difficulty noticing objects on the periphery may indicate early signs of glaucoma. Pupil response test. In a dimly lit room, use a small flashlight to shine light into one eye and observe the pupil's reaction. It should constrict, get smaller, quickly. Compare both eyes for consistency in their response. Eye pressure awareness. Be aware of any feelings of pressure inside the eye, though this is not a reliable measure and usually requires a tonometer for accurate assessment. For cataracts. Vision clarity test. Check if your vision is becoming increasingly cloudy or blurry. Observe colors. Notice if colors seem faded or less vibrant. Night vision check. Assess your vision in low light conditions or at night. Glare sensitivity. Notice if you are more sensitive to glare from lights, such as headlights while driving at night. Double vision check. Check for double vision in one eye. Cover one eye and look at an object, then switch eyes. Basic screening tools. Amsler grid. For both glaucoma and macular issues, use an Amsler grid, a grid of horizontal and vertical lines. Look at the center dot and observe if any lines appear wavy, blurred, or missing. This test can indicate changes in the central visual field. Online vision tests. Use reputable online vision tests to screen for changes in your visual field or clarity. Ensure these tests are from credible sources and validated for accuracy. Professional methods. For accurate diagnosis and regular monitoring, schedule regular eye exams with an ophthalmologist. These exams typically include tonometry, measures intraocular pressure, IOP, for glaucoma detection. Visual field test, assesses peripheral vision. Optical coherence tomography, OCT, provides detailed images of the retina. Slit lamp examination helps to detect cataracts and other eye conditions. Dilated eye exam allows for a thorough examination of the retina and optic nerve. Preventive measures. Regular eye exams. Adults should have a comprehensive eye exam every 1 to 2 years. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a diet rich in antioxidants, avoid smoking, and protect eyes from UV light. Monitor blood pressure. High blood pressure can impact eye health and increase the risk of glaucoma. While these at-home methods can help monitor eye health, they are not substitutes for professional medical advice and examination. If you notice any concerning symptoms or changes in your vision, consult an eye care professional promptly. Commonly asked questions about cataracts and glaucoma. What are cataracts? Cataracts are a clouding of the eye's natural lens, which leads to a decrease in vision. What causes cataracts? Cataracts can be caused by aging, trauma, etc. Certain medications and medical conditions like diabetes, they can also be congenital or develop after eye surgery. What are the symptoms of cataracts? Symptoms include blurred vision, difficulty seeing at night, sensitivity to light, seeing halos around lights, and fading or yellowing of colors. How are cataracts diagnosed? Cataracts are diagnosed through a comprehensive eye examination which includes a visual acuity test, slit lamp examination, and a retinal exam. Can cataracts be prevented? While cataracts cannot be completely prevented, reducing risk factors like UV light exposure, managing diabetes, avoiding smoking, and maintaining a healthy diet may help slow their progression. What is the treatment for cataracts? The primary treatment for cataracts is the surgical removal of the clouded lens, which is usually replaced with an artificial intraocular lens, IOL. When should cataract surgery be considered? Surgery is considered when cataracts significantly interfere with daily activities such as driving, reading, or watching TV. What is the recovery time after cataract surgery? Recovery time can vary, but most people experience improved vision within a few days to a week, with complete healing taking up to a month. Glaucoma. What is glaucoma? Glaucoma is a group of eye conditions that damage the optic nerve, often due to abnormally high pressure in the eye, intraocular pressure. What causes glaucoma? Glaucoma is caused by increased intraocular pressure, which can be due to various factors including blocked drainage channels, certain medications, eye trauma, and genetic predisposition. What are the types of glaucoma? The main types include open-angle glaucoma, angle closure glaucoma, normal tension glaucoma, and secondary glaucoma. What are the symptoms of glaucoma? Early stages of glaucoma often have no symptoms. As the condition progresses, symptoms may include peripheral vision loss, tunnel vision, eye pain, halos around lights, and reddening of the eyes. How is glaucoma diagnosed? Glaucoma is diagnosed through a comprehensive eye examination which includes measuring intraocular pressure, testing for optic nerve damage, checking the drainage angle, and visual field testing. Can glaucoma be prevented? Regular eye exams, particularly for those at higher risk, can help detect glaucoma early. There is no sure way to prevent glaucoma, but early detection and treatment can help control the condition and prevent vision loss. What is the treatment for glaucoma? Treatments include prescription eye drops, oral medications, laser therapy, and surgical procedures to lower intraocular pressure and prevent further optic nerve damage. What are the risk factors for glaucoma? Risk factors include age, family history, race, higher prevalence in African Americans and Asians, high intraocular pressure, certain medical conditions like diabetes and hypertension, and prolonged use of corticosteroids. Can glaucoma lead to blindness? If left untreated, glaucoma can lead to permanent vision loss and blindness. However, with early detection and proper treatment, the progression of the disease can often be slowed or halted. Is there a cure for glaucoma? There is currently no cure for glaucoma, but it can be managed with ongoing treatment to preserve vision.